Tuna and mozzarella melts. Ingredients: a muffin cut in half, tuna, pesto, some olives, and some mozzarella slices. Equipment: a toaster, a spoon, a fork, and a grill tray. Place your muffin halves into the toaster. Turn it on and set it to a low heat. I've set mine to 2. Mash your pesto into your tuna. Place the muffin halves onto the grill tray. Spread the tuna onto the muffin halves. Place the mozzarella on top of the tuna. Place the olives on top of the mozzarella. Put the muffins under the grill. Set the timer for 5 minutes. When the timer goes, get your muffins out from under the grill. Let them cool, and then when they are cool, place them onto a plate. They're ready to eat.